In this Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how I would make vertical text here in Canva. So I'm going to start off by saying there is no vertical type tool or a text direction attribute that you can change. But what we can do is come over here to our text tab and add some text. So I'm just going to add a heading right here, right? So whether it's a text box or just this piece of text, it doesn't matter. Text is kind of all the same here in Canva. Now, like I said, nothing up here about vertical type tool or anything like that. That doesn't exist. So what you're going to have to do is type out your word that you want vertical. So maybe I'm just going to type out the word vertical, right? Now we're going to click and we're going to create some paragraph spacing here. So every single letter we need to press the return key on or the enter key. So I'm between V and E right now. Press return, and then I need to press right on my keyboard to go between the E and R. Return, right, return, right, return, all the way down, right? Now, this is going to be a little bit way too spaced out, right? Once you get down to the bottom here, I got one more to do. There we go. So what we do is we grab this text box, and we're going to come up here to spacing, and then we need to adjust our line spacing. So we need to pull that back in so that this text is spaced out more correctly for you. And so now you see we do have vertical type. Yours might look like this right here, where the letters don't match up, right? So we need to actually, you can definitely see it on the eye. We need to actually grab that text and come up here and make sure the alignment is set to center as well. That will make that text centered on each other and vertical, and then you can affect that spacing. Then you can just increase or decrease the text or font size or the text box and kind of put this text wherever you want. But honestly, it's a bit of a hack. It's a little bit of a trick to create vertical text here in Canva, but it is possible, and it is possible to, actually kind of edit this. Now, if you want multiple lines, you're going to have to do something like duplicate this, whether it's Command-C or Control-C to copy, and then Command or Control-V to paste. You can duplicate that. You can also click on the text box and hold the Option or Alt key on Windows and click and drag out to create multiple lines of vertical text. This trick doesn't work very well for you to create multiple words next to each other here in the text box itself. So just so you know that, you'll have to actually create another text box. Some things are a little tricky to do here in Canva, but this is one that's, it's not a terrible solution if you're just writing a couple words. That's how you can create vertical text here in Canva.